Yeah, good day. My name is Richard, and I welcome you to this Python programming training. Start immediately. Now, to start writing Python, the first thing we need to do is to make sure that we have Python installed on our system. So, how do we install Python on our system? So, we can install Python by simply we can go to python.org. So you can just type um, python.org on your system. Python.org. So it will take you to the official website of Python. So you can hover your cursor on the downloads. Then you take it to Python 3.12.0 and you click there to download. I am not going to download because I already have Python installed on my system. But one thing you have to take note of is while installing this Python, make sure that you mark add Python to path. It is very important for us to be able to use some of the frameworks that we talked about in the beginning of this video. So you must click on add Python to path and you install Python on your system. After Python installation, what next that you need to do is to come down to your browser, to your search, and open your Windows PowerShell if you are using Windows. So I can simply click on this to open Windows PowerShell. All right, now Windows PowerShell is opening and I am now in my terminal. So what I will do is to check whether Python is actually installed on this system. What I will do is I'll just type Python version, enter. Now if you look at this place, you will see that it wrote Python 3.11.2. This is the version of Python that I have in my system. All right. So we can also check for Python dependency, Python package installer that is known as pip. We can still say pip dash dash version. Enter. So it will give you the pip version as well as the path where pip is located on your system. So this is the basic things that we need to do to start writing our Python. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to print or how to develop your first application software on Python programming language. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.